Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Little Mini MUA or Amelia. Today I have partnered with a very fun brand. I got a message from the brand Jill asking if I wanted to collaborate, which I did. So today I'm going to be using their product. They sell face razors, which I'm going to use today. I've heard a lot about face razors. I've heard it's meant to help your skincare go into your skin better and your makeup go on smoother. So I'm going to try this out. This is a paid partnership with Jill, but this is my honest opinion. So thank you so much, Jill, for collaborating with me, and let's just get on to the video. Here is the package. It's such a pretty color. Their whole brand is like light pink, which I think is adorable. On the bottom, it says Women's Facial Razor. Here is their Instagram handle up here if you want to check them out. I really like the packaging. So inside, the razor is standing up just like that. It's such a sleek, compact little thing. Take it out of the package. This packaging is really adorable. I love the little rose gold and the pink, and it's kind of like, it's not velvet, but like matte feeling. Really like it. Feels very high quality. Take the lid off. So that is what the razor looks like. So it's awesome because inside it comes with another razor. So, because sometimes when you use it too much, it can become dull. So it's awesome that it comes with another razor head so that you can just take it and pop it right on. I'm guessing to take it off, you just pull it. Yep. And then you can pop this one in. It's actually a different kind. Oh. So I'm guessing this is for more like your cheek, for like a bigger area, and this could be for like maybe up where your eyebrows are, for like a smaller area. So that's really cool. It's awesome that they have two different kinds. Inside, it also comes with this little cloth because when you shave your face, you're gonna have some hair, so it's a place that you can put the hair on. I'll open it up. Ooh, it's actually really soft. Such a cute, it says Jill on there. Such a cute little cloth. It has this paper inside. I'm going to read it. Always use new blades. We know it's tempting, but cons outweigh the pros. Old blades may be duller and carry bacteria. Don't do it. So it has a little shave guide and it says what's in the box. So it comes with a travel-friendly case. That's actually really cool. You can just put it in there. The Jill wand pre-installed with the petite blade. So this is the petite blade. It comes with a protective lid, which is really good. And then the wide blade made for larger areas of the face. Yep, that's kind of what I said. And then the gunk pad, which is what they call this cloth. How to use Jill in 3 easy steps. They say to skin prep, cleanse with a mild foaming cleanser, exfoliate with a gentle mask or scrub, which is optional, apply face oil or shaving cream/gel. Hold the razor at a 45-degree angle, pull the skin tight with the opposite hand, use short downward strokes, and shave in the direction of hair grows. Wipe blade with Jill gunk pad after every 3 to 4 strokes. And then nourish with a facial serum or moisturizer or facial oil. All right. So I'm actually excited to try this out. I've never used any face razor before, so I'm actually excited to see how this goes. So their website is up here. It's tryjill.com, and I also have it tagged in the description, so definitely check it out. They have a bunch of stuff on there. You can even get a kit sent to you every month, which is awesome. There is a lot of talk about with shaving. It doesn't even have to do with your face. People have always thought when you shave, your hair will grow back darker or thicker. On their website, they actually have a link as to why that is a myth. So I think that's pretty cool. Their website also mentions how the razor is 100% recyclable, which is awesome because I know with a lot of plastic face razors, they can go dull really quickly and then you just throw them out. But with this one, since the top can come undone, it's much more eco-friendly. All right, so I'm gonna do my skincare and then I wanna get started. I want to see how this goes. I did wash my face this morning, so I'm just going to use an exfoliator right now. Even with shaving your legs, you want to use an exfoliator because it gets off all the dead skin so that you can get a much closer shave. So I'm just scrubbing this exfoliator on my face. But yeah, so whenever you're shaving, exfoliating gets that dead skin off the top of your skin off so that you can get a much closer shave. and your hair won't grow back as fast and it won't be as prickly. So I'm just scrubbing and then I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be back in a second. All right, so I just washed off that exfoliator so my skin is nice and soft. And now I'm going to use a face oil. Having something on your face is important so then you're not just shaving on skin. Just like on your legs, you want to use some shaving cream or even like conditioner or something like that so that you're not like dry shaving, because then you can get some itchy bumps and that's not fun. So just like on your face, you want to have something already on there. I'm just making sure my face is all good. So I'm going to start on like my sideburn area, which I'm a little nervous about because I've never shaved my face before, but I'm excited. I'm going to put the like wide one on because that's kind of meant for like your cheek zone. So I'm gonna start with this one. And I'm just going to pull my hair back so I'm not getting of my actual hair. And then I'm just gonna shave. I have my gunk pad ready to wipe off anything after, they said about 3 to 4 shaves. You should wipe off your thing. So we'll just go ahead and do that. They said 45-degree angle and little. Whoa, I already got a lot of stuff on there. Can't really see that. Hopefully you can see on the camera. But I'm just going to wipe that off. So my hair is kind of blonde right there, so it might be a little hard to see. But that's just from like 2 paths. But so far, it's nice. Do the other side. This gunk pad is like really awesome because you can just wipe it straight on there. So I just did my sideburns. I really want to try it near my eyebrows now. This blade is like really sharp, which is awesome because it like gets all of your hair. There's like nothing there now. There's nothing, like no little stubble. But yeah, this blade is super sharp, which is awesome because you can get such a nice shave. I'm gonna put in the little one now, and I want to do near my eyebrows. But with being in quarantine, Canada has been in quarantine for so long, there's really no getting your eyebrows done. So if this works good around my eyebrows, I don't think I'll ever need to get my eyebrows waxed again. I'm glad there's this smaller one that can fit between my eyebrows. So yeah, if this works in between my eyebrows, that is going to be amazing. So let's try. I do want to be careful not to hit my actual eyebrow. Just stay in the middle. Oh my gosh, it worked! There's like no hair there. There's literally no hair there. That's perfect. I really don't think I ever need to get my eyebrows waxed again if I have this. It gives such a close shave. So I'm pushing my eyebrows down and now I'm just shaving on top of them and getting all the extra hair here. And a lot is coming off. Now I'm gonna push my eyebrows back up. That gives such a nice close shave. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows down again, but then we're going to. And this is so easy to get like a close shave. And I'm not worried about like shaving my eyebrows off because it's a tiny little blade. So I can easily just go right above it. And that's awesome. So this little blade is literally perfect for my eyebrows. And I love how close of a shave it got right here. So I literally don't need to get my eyebrows waxed again. And it's easy to get under here as well and over top. Overall, this is going really well. I can literally take the hair off the blade. That's how much hair it's getting off. Gosh, that's crazy! And then this gunk pad, you just easily wipe it off. So I just shaved my whole face and this is going really well. My face feels so smooth, but we're putting it to the test. Before I finish off my makeup, I just want to say how, like, I'm very impressed. I really love how it comes with 2 different sizes. I thought it was going to be the same size, just different razor, but 2 different sizes, which is awesome. Perfect to get in between your brows. But yeah, going good so far. So as you all know, I love makeup, and I've heard a lot about shaving your face helping with your makeup going on smoother. And I know that some people can have that like cakey look because of those little hairs on your face, but since I just shaved them off, I need to do my makeup now. So I'm going to head off and do the rest of my makeup, and I will see you guys in a bit for my final review. Some things just aren't simple. You called me wondering why I change or why I look the same. Why things so different now. Is it ever gonna change? Am I gonna feel this way forever? Are you gonna be around for me to count on? Is it ever gonna change? Am I gonna feel this way forever? Are you gonna be around for me to count on? So I finished off my makeup, and I didn't realize that they actually sent me some stuff in the package. I'm going to open this up. I'm guessing these are extra razor heads. Yeah, so these are extra little razor heads, and I'm guessing this is what gets sent to you every month in your subscription. So I'll see. Replace me after every shave. Yep, so it just comes with both of the big one and the little one. So then you have them right in there. And I got sent 2 of these little packs, so 4 razors. So I'm pretty sure this is what gets sent to you if you do their subscription box, which is awesome. If you really like this product and you like using a face razor, you definitely want to get new razors every time you use it. So yeah, thank you, Jill, for these extra ones. But I'm done my makeup, and overall, my makeup feels very smooth. It is very soft. Like, my skin feels so soft. Sometimes you can feel your makeup and it kind of feels like, you can feel those little hairs, or you can kind of like, it feels a little cakey, but my skin feels like there's no makeup on it. My makeup went on very smooth. It doesn't look like it's breaking on my face at all. So overall, I'm very, very impressed. I really like this. I really love this little one for shaving my eyebrows because I haven't been able to get them waxed in forever, and tweezing just doesn't get all those hairs. It's not the same. So I really, really like this for my eyebrows. This feels so soft, which is amazing. And overall, it looks really good. This is awesome for shaving your eyebrows or getting that stubborn peach fuzz, even like around your mustache area, your peach fuzz. But overall, I really, really like these razors. I love how you can subscribe and get new ones sent to you. So if you're into shaving your face, this is like a really good quality razor. They are very sharp, so it really gets all the hair. It's super soft. Again, I keep saying that because it is. I will probably use it again once it grows back. I'm not sure how long it takes to grow back. But yeah, I really enjoyed this product. Thank you so much to Jill for sponsoring this video and sending me your awesome razor. If you want to get a razor of your own and try this out, here is the website, tryjill.com. You can go on there and get yourself a kit just like me. And if you do try it out, or if you've already tried it out, let me know in the comments below if you liked it. So definitely check out Jill. I have their Instagram up here, and I've tagged their Instagram and their website in the description below, so definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun trying something new. I've never shaved my face before, but it was a good experience. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!